So guys, Anthropic just released a brand new feature for Claude, and honestly, it's insane in the way that it works. It can literally take control of your browser and complete tasks automatically for you. This opens up a lot of powerful use cases, but in today's video, I'm going to be focusing specifically on how this new update can help you build and launch simple digital products. So when it comes to finding this new Google Chrome extension, you're just going to go over to claude.com/Chrome. And then once you do that, this is the page that you should see. Now in this video, what I'm going to do, as I already mentioned, is I'm going to use this new feature to start and launch a low ticket digital product store. You're going to see me do everything step by step in this video if you stick around. But it is important to know that when it comes to using this, you are going to need the upgraded plan for Claude. So if I just click into pricing, come over here to overview. As we can see, if you're an individual that's looking to use Claude, you've got these three different options. You can use Claude for completely free, and this one's really powerful. But if you wanted to use the Google Chrome browser, you're going to have to use either Pro or Max. So I've logged into my Pro account, and even if you don't have a paid version of Claude, you're still going to be able to get a lot of benefits out of this video when it comes to understanding how AI is going to be able to help you. So I'm just going to start off with a super simple prompt. I'm just going to type this in. Basically what I'm doing here is telling Claude that I want to make an ebook. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be making a low ticket ebook within this niche over here. And I want Claude to scan the internet, scan its database, and come back with the 10 best titles that people are actively searching for, that's highly searched for on Google, and it helps to solve a specific problem. So I'm only doing this just to kind of get the foundation of what I'm going to be building in this video. And as we move forward, I'm going to be showcasing how the browser is going to help me build out this entire thing. So I'm just going to click on enter. All right, so these are the different topics that it believes are going to do well, hopefully next year, based on the fact that a lot of people are searching for it. So I'm just going to go with this first one in the list, which is credit score repair. So what I'm going to do is just go over to Google Trends. And I'm just going to type this search term in, credit score repair, click on explore and see if people actually care about this. Okay, so it does seem like people are searching for information about this. We can see ever since 2008, 2009, there's been consistent searches, and over this past year, there's been a rise in interest. So now that I know what topic my ebook is going to be about, I'm going to use Claude to help me build an actual sellable ebook, and I'm also going to use Claude when it comes to building out the landing page as well. So you're going to see me do everything right before your very eyes. So I'm just going to click into the extension tool just like this. And one of the first ways that I'm going to use this extension tool is by typing in this prompt on the right hand side. So as you can see, this is the interface that's going to pop up, and it's going to ask you these two different options. It's going to ask if it should always request your permission before it does anything, or it can move forward without actually asking you anything, and it's going to be able to do everything automatically. So I'm going to select this one because I don't want it to always pop up with approval notification. So we're just going to go with this. And just so that it knows exactly what ebook I want it to focus on, I'm just going to put the topic in there just like that. So you're going to see the first powerful thing when it comes to using this browser, which is that it's going to automatically go over to my Google Documents, and it's going to do it without me having to type anything. So whenever you see this red glowing theme around the browser, that's when you know that it's taking control of the screen. So everything that you can see right now is happening without me having to type anything in. So it's gone over to my Google Documents. It's taken a screenshot of it so that it knows exactly what it can see. And you're going to see in a moment that it's going to start writing out all of the different chapters that's going to go into this ebook. So right there, as we can see, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Again, guys, I'm not typing anything. It's doing it automatically. And because Claude is really good when it comes to long context writing, you can somewhat trust the information that it's going to come back with. Now, of course, you do want to read through it, make sure that you're happy with it, make any adjustments to it. But everything I'm showing you in this video is just an example, just to kind of illustrate how all of this works, because now you know the potential of it. It's able to go to your Google Documents, open up a brand new document, take full control, write out everything. It's going to also read through it, make any adjustments to it, complete it in a way that it's well formatted. As we can see right there, it's formatting the title as well as the section headings as well. So it's going to be easy for you to read. So I'm just going to wait for it to complete what it's doing. And then from there, I'm going to move over to the next step. Okay, guys, I'm back. That took about 5 minutes for it to complete. And the main benefit to using this feature with Claude is the fact that you can tell it what to do. It's going to be able to take control, and you can now go away, do something else. So we can see that it's come back with this completed document. So it's going to be from this point where I'm now going to read through it. But let's assume that I'm completely happy with it. One of the next steps is to actually build out this ebook. And the way that I can do that is by entering in this into the chat box on the right hand side. So what I'm going to say is now go over to Gamma and create the ebook A4. Ensure that the ebook in Gamma is accurate, well designed according to this niche. So I'm just going to click on enter. For those of you that's not really sure of exactly what Gamma is, it's an AI tool that you're free to use. You don't have to use it with Claude. You can go into it yourself. You can enter a prompt for whatever ebook you want it to make. And Gamma is going to be able to not only write out the ebook, but it's also going to design it as well. Most of you have probably seen it on my channel, but the way that Claude is going to be able to assist with this is that when it comes to writing out the chapters within Google Doc, you can now use the Claude Google Chrome browser to write out the entire ebook, and it's going to update everything without you having to manually do it. So once again, we can see that Claude is working on the browser right now. It's created all of the different chapters, all of the different steps that's going to go into this ebook, and it's going to adjust things. It's going to maybe move some steps forward, maybe move some steps back, maybe delete some steps entirely. But one of the key things that you need to remember out of everything that I'm showing you is that because Claude is one of the best long context writers out of all of the other AI tools, in terms of Gemini, ChatGPT, and some of the main other tools, you can somewhat trust that it's going to come back with the best information in this ebook. So as we can see, it's gone straight to work. It's writing out everything one by one. So I'm using Claude and Gamma together to do all of this. I didn't have to do anything. All I needed to do was enter the prompt that you can see on the right hand side. All of the graphics, all of the charts, all of the illustrations are going to be included in the ebook. So yeah, this is definitely amazing. The fact that I'm not laying a finger on the computer right now and I've got two different AI tools working side by side to do this, but I'm going to let it do its thing. And once again, I'm going to be back as soon as it's completed. So I'm back, guys. That took a little bit longer than expected, about 10 minutes. But the reason for that is because Claude was going through every single page. It made sure that all of the information on every single page was what it wanted it to be. So it did take slightly long. This is something that you need to expect when you're doing this yourself. But the really good thing about having Claude during this particular stage of building out a low ticket ebook is like you've got your own proofreader just going through everything so that you don't have to rely on yourself. So now that the ebook is complete, I'm going to be able to manually take control. I'm going to be able to, of course, read through it, make sure that I'm happy with it. But from there, I can click into these three dots. I can come over to export, and I'm going to be able to export it as a PDF. But this now brings me on to one of the next use cases with this Claude browser. Once you've got your digital product ready for you to start listing, is that it can actually help you when it comes to building out an entire website or landing page. So what I'm going to do is just enter this prompt. All I'm going to say is I want you to go over to Hostinger and create a website using the AI website builder. You need to enter a brand name, which is Credit Repair Guide, and a description for this website so that it can list the ebook for sale. Okay, so it's instantly gone over to Hostinger. Because I'm already logged into my account, it's gone straight to the AI website builder section. It's taken a screenshot of it. It's analyzing everything. And as we can see, it's already inserting all of the information. So it's put the brand name there and it's put the description as well. And as we can see, Hostinger has now gone straight to work to start building out this entire website. It's looking for the images, it's picking the right colors, it's doing the right fonts, it's doing everything that it needs to do. Again, guys, you can do all of this yourself. You don't need Claude to help you. If you wanted to go straight to Hostinger, you can do it. But if you wanted a tool to help you prompt, this is what you can use. Because literally right there, as you guys can see, the website has now been created. It's taking a screenshot, it's looking at it, it's making sure that it's happy with it. So as soon as this part is complete, I'm going to be back and I'm going to show you what you can do next. Okay, guys, I'm back. And as we can see, this is the first draft of the website. And Hostinger has done a good job. You know, the prompt that Claude entered into it seems to have created a really good website by the looks of it. Now, of course, if I want to make any changes to this, I'm going to be able to easily do it. If I want to move this around, I'm going to be able to do that. If I want to change the text, I can also do that as well. There's going to be certain things that you need to do once you get to this point manually that Claude isn't able to do. For example, if I wanted to add a payment processor to this site, the way that I can do that is by going over to the left-hand side, clicking into store, and it's going to be over here where I'm going to be able to update or add a payment method. And the reason why I need to highlight this is because when it comes to using this Claude browser, you need to be aware of sensitive information. It's going to be able to access everything on your browser. So if there's anything that you don't want it to see, you need to be mindful of this. And this is more so true when it comes to you now signing up to your Stripe as well as PayPal. Because the way that Hostinger works is that you need to select your location. From there, if you want to connect Stripe, you're going to need to click on this button right here. And then what it's going to do is take you through a sign up process where you now need to enter your name, your date of birth, all of the details that you would normally give to a bank. You need to sign up to Stripe so that you're going to be able to accept payments. And this is something that you don't want the Claude extension browser to see. You may want to make some manual changes and just do things in your own style, because as you can see with the website builder, it's come back with this overlay or this video that you can see in the background that doesn't really relate to credit. So if I wanted to change this myself, I could just click on edit section, then click on replace video, and I'm going to type in the keyword that relates to what we're working with right now. So I'm just going to type in credit score. And as we can see, there's all of these different options. So I'm just going to go with a random one. Let me go with this one right here. Okay, so this one is a little bit more relatable to what we're working with right now. And that's something that you're going to be able to do throughout this entire website. But this now brings me on to one of the next ways that the Claude browser is going to be able to assist you, which is going to be with producing the main cover image on the product page. Because if I just click into the store, we're going to see that there is a placeholder for this ebook that Hostinger generated for us, but there's no image. Not only is there no image, there's no description as well. So this is something that Claude as well as Hostinger is going to be able to help us with using the power of AI. So I'm just going to quickly walk you through that right now. I'm going to click into the extension tools. I'm going to click into Claude, and I'm also going to go over to Gemini as well. And what I'm going to do is just paste this request. I'm just going to say, use Gemini to create a markup image for this ebook that I plan to sell. I've given it the name of the ebook. I've given it some other specifications as well. You can pause the screen right now and take a look. But what it's going to do is now take control of Gemini. Don't worry, you don't need to pay anything when it comes to using it. It's going to go onto Gemini. It's going to produce a high quality prompt on my behalf. And from there, Gemini is going to go straight to work to using Nano Banana to obviously generate this image for me. This entire process doesn't take any more than 1 minute. So as we can see, it's now come back with this ebook cover. And the good thing about this is that if I wanted to repeat this process over and over again and get to the point of making the ebook that I'm happy with, I can do that. If I want to come down to the prompt box in Gemini and make any changes, I can do that as well. But let's assume that I'm completely happy with this. Not saying that I would definitely use this on my product page, but let's say, for an example, if I was happy with it, all I need to do is just click on download full size. And then if I wanted to update the section, I can either click on edit section right here, or what I can do is come on the left hand side, click on store, come over here to products. And it's going to be here where I can now add a brand new product. So what I'm going to do is remove this placeholder one for now. I'm going to click on add product once again. As we can see with Hostinger, we've got all of these different options when it comes to different type of products that we can list. Whether it's going to be a physical product, multiple different physical products, up to 10 at the exact same time, a service, donation, print on demand, gift card, appointment. You've got all of these different options. But of course, today we're focused on digital products. So if I just click on it just like that, for you guys that have already watched my channel, you would already know exactly how this works. There's two different options. You can upload an image and insert all of this information manually, or what you can do is use this option that says fast and easy. And Hostinger's AI tool is going to populate the title, subtitle, and description all from the image that you're going to upload. So for this, you can definitely do it manually. You don't need Claude to upload the image for you. It can definitely do that, but I'm going to do it myself because it's going to take no more than 2 seconds. Okay, so right there, it's analyzing the image and it's creating the text. And we can also see that everything has now been updated. And literally from this point, the only thing that you're going to need to do is fill out all of this information. So you're going to update the price. I'm just going to put a random price for now. I'm just going to put that. It's going to be in this section where you're going to add the file that you got from Gamma. And whenever a customer buys this ebook, they're going to receive a link for them to download it straight away. So if I just click on save, we're going to see what it looks like on the actual site. Okay, so there we go. The product page seems to have been updated perfectly. We've got the description, we've got everything, we've got a high quality image as well. And one tip that I want to give you guys once you've gotten to this point, if you are following along and you've built your website using Hostinger, is that if you want to get any of these different pages on your site, e.g. this page with the ebook that you've just made ranked in the Google search results, one way that you can do that is by clicking into the editor, coming onto the left hand side over here and clicking on pages. And all of the different pages that you're going to have is going to be listed here. And if you want to add any new ones, you're going to be able to easily do that. But if we focus on the store page for now, you're going to see this yellow or orange button that you can click onto that says SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization, if you're not aware. And essentially what Hostinger is going to be able to do is place the right keywords on the page that you've selected so that your website has a chance of being ranked in the search results. And this is something that you don't need to use Claude for. You don't need to manually come up with the keyword yourself. All you need to do is go over here to where it says AI SEO Assistant, click on Generate New SEO Information, and you just need to give it a brief summary of what your page is about. So I've just put, it's an ebook about improving credit score and personal credit repair for beginners. I'm going to click on next. Hostinger is going to ask me to select 3 main keywords that I believe relates to this page. So I'm just going to select this one. And the final thing is that it's going to give me a preview of what it's going to look like in the search engine. So when someone searches for this particular topic or this ebook, this is what they're going to see. If I'm happy with it, all I need to do is click on finish. And just like that, the SEO has now been done for this site. And bear in mind, guys, that everything I'm walking you through is just an example. There's going to be some other things you need to do. For example, connecting the website to a Google Search Console so that Google knows that your website exists. But the whole purpose of this is just showing you how you can use AI on a day-to-day basis with your personal stuff, your business stuff, or your work stuff. It's going to be able to help you out in a number of different ways. And don't forget, guys, if you want to check out Hostinger, I'm going to leave all the information to them in my description down below, as well as the coupon code. And I'm also going to leave a step-by-step guide that's going to break down a lot of the things that we discussed in this video when it comes to being able to start and launch a digital product store as a complete beginner. So be sure to check that out as well. If you've enjoyed this video, you've learned anything, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, well, in this video, I'm going to break down some other interesting ways that you can use AI if you're someone that's new to this whole thing. You're going to be able to watch that by clicking the link right there. Check that out straight after this because that video has already helped out so many people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from start to finish, it's also going to help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.